Happy morning, guys. Let's go. I'm so tired. I want to sleep. But I have to go. Let's go. Twist in the chapter. Jeeva helping me in the car to catch a bus at 6:20. Bus miss cheyidu. We missed the bus, but it is an epic view, you guys. Check this out. Sunrise is gonna happen. I have to catch the bus at 8 o'clock next. So let's wait for 8 o'clock bus and then we will proceed towards the destination. Jeeva is here. Hi Jeeva. Thank you so much Jeeva. Jeeva is helping me out in his car to catch the bus, but we could not catch the bus. That is the point. We were not able to catch the bus. Now we will head towards the main town and then wait till 8 o'clock and then catch the bus. Let's go. Morning 6:30 I'm traveling and the time current now is going to be 12 o'clock now. For half an hour journey is left out. I'm going to reach this place and show you guys that what is this place actually is. So rather than showing you the entire 6 hours of a bus journey, let me show you the place itself straight away. So let's go guys. That is the clue for you guys. That is the clue. Kerala's boathouse is the clue. Now find out the place. Currently, yes, we have reached the place. Currently, we are in Alappuzha. See this place. Backwaters and boathouse. Sexy place, bruh. currently we have reached Alapuzha and I've taken the bike as a rent. So this is the place. This is the place. I have taken the bike. This is the bike I have taken as a rent. From here we'll be heading towards the hotel. We'll go and check in the hotel, drop all the luggages and then go have the lunch. Let's go, guys. So currently reached near the destination, but we have to cross the river. I've kept the vehicle and we'll be crossing the river now. The resort in the other side. The resort is in the other side. Hello, Palm Lake, Palm Lake Resort. You going to take me? They are coming? Okay. That is the resort. The people are coming to take me up. Let's see what we can do. Traveling in a boat to a resort. Let's go. The resort. This is the place. So currently reached the place, the resort. Check out this time lapse. This place time lapse. Place is super cool, super beautiful. So I'm going to stay here for next 3 days and enjoy Alapuzha and visit places in Alapuzha. Tomorrow morning I'll be visiting places in Alapuzha. So let's go and see that tomorrow in the next video which I mean. So until then I'll be coming back with another video. Do comment, like and subscribe to the video. For more adventure, for more videos, please do click that bell icon for the notification which you get. This house looks cool. This house completely looks cool. But completely look good. Completely gone. Completely tired. I will be ending this vlog here itself. And subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. I will see you guys in another video. Until then,